Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Happy Valentine's Day, boys and girls. And Yoki out there, our rooster, is also wishing you a happy Valentine's Day. So boys and girls, last week we did this delicious lollipop. And I saw your work and it was beautiful and delicious. So well done all those who did their painting, and they did it well, very well. I'm very proud of you all. This week, boys and girls, as we recognize Saint Valentine's Day, he was a saint actually many years ago who married young couples. So we're going to do a simple activity using a heart shape. So first of all, you need to get paper. If you have card, it would be better. So you just get a sheet of paper, and then I would like you to fold it in half like this. Then I would like you to draw the shape of a heart like this. You can trace the shape one side of a heart like this, and when you finish, trace it out. You can take a photo if you wish, and after you've printed it out, you can fold it in half, then cut it. Make sure that it's folded like this, and then you cut around it to get a shape like this. So what we're going to do, boys and girls, we're going to add some paints, and we're going to fold this in half for us to get this beautiful pattern for the heart. So let's get started, boys and girls. We're going to get our paints, so add some, because it's Valentine is red, so we're going to add some red. So we're going to put some red drops. I mean, it needs to be shaken. Sorry about that, I forgot to shake my paint. It's very important for you to shake your paint, because it will the colors will not be so vibrant. So I'm going to put some here. Right, that's better. Just mix it up like that. I have a cluster here, maybe one or two going down here like that. But we only do it on one side, boys and girls. We'll get out the yellow, because we like yellow, because yellow is a lovely sunshine color, makes us all happy. So I'm going to just drop a little bit. You know, you can just randomly drop the colors, you know, there's no hard and fast rule for this, you know. Just a little bit of yellow there. You can either use droplets, or you can add paints, like your paint, so you can wet your paintbrush and mix it up, and you can, you know, so you can either do it that way if you wish, or you can use drops from your so I'm going to wet my paintbrush, and you can just flicker it like this, really light flickers like that. Yeah, so you can either use a paintbrush to do it, or you can use the drops from your paints. So I'm going to just I will not use the blue, but I'm going to go ahead in my paint, what I have here in my collection, and I'm going to wet my paintbrush. So we're going to use a little bit of blue, purple here, as you can see, and I'm just going to flicker some, add more water, because water is the key to just wake it up a little bit, like that, just a little bit. If it goes on the other side, it doesn't matter, because I'm going to show you what magic that's going to happen after. And then I want to get some of that red. Let me add some more water. If I add more water, maybe it will become more. Add water again. Add the red. And just add this pretty color here. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add some white to this, just for variety. And I'm going to draw it. Let's see what happens, boys and girls. I'm going to get some more of my red here. Just flicker it up, because we don't want the white to be white. White on white, you wouldn't get a color really. So I'm going to go ahead and get some blues this time. I'm going to add some blue. Nice light blue like that. Just a little bit. And let's see what we're going to get. Now make sure that you have something on your table to protect it, because it can be very, very messy. And what's going to happen, a pattern's going to form, and it's going to be, you're going to have the same pattern here as on the other side. So I'm going to, what you're going to do now, after you've added all the colors that you want, let me add some orange. I think I'd like to add some orange, although we might be stepping on territory, make it a little bit too a bit of red again. This time we're going to put nice bright red into this. Okay, let's see what's going to happen now. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to fold my heart, and let's see what happens. You're going to fold it. You can bring it down like this. Maybe I added too much paint to it like that. And you'll see some of your paints trickling out of your heart like that. But that's okay. That's all part of the fun of making your symmetry. You're going to have a symmetry pattern, a pattern that is the very same on one side as the other. And what you can do, so that you don't make a mess, you can go ahead and just wipe it off so that it does not smear on your design when you open it up. And then you're going to open up your design, and let's see what happens. Wow, boys and girls, there you are. A beautiful heart. I was worried that it might get muddy, but I think that it made a beautiful design. So we're going to leave this to dry, and then we're going to write a message to our mummy, our daddy, our brother, sister, whoever you wish, to show your love for Valentine's Day. So boys and girls, there it is, nice and dry. And I saw that I could, with the patterns that was created, I could see a face. So I just drew a circle in purple, and I just drew a little smiley face here, because already the nose had appeared. So it looks like it's a beautiful love heart greeting from you. So we're going to, you can either get another piece of paper or a card like this. I got a lovely yellow card, and you fold it in half like this, and you're going to stick it on the card like this, so that when you give this to your mummy and daddy or whoever you love, they're going to open it and see this beautiful heart in the center of the card. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to get some glue and I'm going to stick it down. Stick it down the best you can. All right, so we're going to fold this like that. We're going to add some glue like this to that edge like that. That's the simplest way to do it. So you put it, you open it up like this and then you just press it down nicely like that. We're going to do the other side. Oh, I can see that that wasn't dried properly. But I'm going to give it another chance to dry again anyway. So you're going to put some glue on that side too, like that, all the way down and up. And then, boys and girls, we're going to close our card like that on our lovely heart design for our mother or our daddy. I keep saying for our mummy, but it can be for whoever you wish. So what we're going to do, we're going to get out our black marker or a black pencil, whatever you have, or crayon, and we're going to write I love heart and a U. So it's something very simple. I heart you. Okay, so we're just going to go over it. I, like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can have it scriggly and makes it look yours. Gives you ownership. That's my design. So you add originality to it. I heart. And you're going to bring this heart a little bit lower. You. And boys and girls, we're going to put some lovely hearts along the border of the card. So you can go ahead, get a nice fine paintbrush, and you can get your red paints and you paint in the heart while we're waiting for the other side to dry. And then the last finishing touch we're going to do, boys and girls, we're going to add glitter to the insides of our design. All right, so let's just leave this dry a little bit. You know what I'd love to do right now? I just want to do this. I want to put some love hearts. So you can make your own personal addition design element to your card, just to add character, just to say, Mummy, look at what I did, and I did that all for you. Or Daddy, this is what I did, and I did it all for you. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing going across. So we're going to have this heart going this way. We don't want to make any smudges or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just create it as we're going along like this. And then we're going to go on the other side and we're going to do the same. Get some water, add the lovely red to it, and we're going to do the same thing. Just try to do it in the same area like that. 2, 3, 4, one here like that, and one here, and then we're going to go, we're going to put our love hearts right here. I'm going to give it like 1, two, and one here, and one right here, and that should be good. All right, wow, boys and girls, look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? That just really adds a lovely beauty, personal touch to your card. So we're going to leave it to dry, and then we'll get back. I'll get back to you to do the glitter in the middle. So there you go, boys and girls. It's lovely and dry. And on the other side, I just did a series of hearts with different colors, but you wouldn't be able to see the true colors because of the yellow background. It would distort the color somewhat. So let's do inside, boys and girls. So what I want you to do is get some lovely glitter and add the finishing touches to your beautiful work. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply this lovely glitter to this painting. So just squeeze some down like that, and then just use another paintbrush perhaps to spread the glitter all around. And I know there's some of you all who really enjoy doing that part. So, oops, it went. It actually went all the way down here, which is what I didn't want to happen, but it happens. And so I'm going to get a paintbrush, one of my paintbrushes, and just to spread it out a little bit. So I'm just going right here where the paint is, and I'm just going to spread it around like that. Alright, so we're going to close it like that. Make sure all the paint, the glitter goes everywhere where we want it to go. And there it is, boys and girls. And then you can add some finishing touches like that. And yeah, there you go. That's your beautiful heart card to someone that you love, to your mummy, your daddy, your brother, your sister. So boys and girls, I can't wait to see your lovely card. And what you can do, boys and girls, actually, you could write a little note just to tell whoever you're sending that this to how much you love them. All right, boys and girls? So I can't wait to see your heart. All right? And I will see you in the next video. Bye. There you go, boys and girls. I decided to put some lovely stars, green stars. Green is the complementary of red, and the majority of this heart is made out of pink and red paints. So I said that would complement this beautiful card. So I put some on the outsides and on the love heart. So boys and girls, be sure to share with me your cards so I could see how well you did your beautiful Valentine's Day card. And I will see you again, boys and girls. Bye.